A well-designed home just makes you happy whenever you see it. It simply feels good to live in a polished house. Today we're with homeowners Michael and Melissa Buza and checking out their newly installed James Hardie siding and finding out when it came time to remodel why they just had to go with James Hardie siding and trim.
My husband and I started the remodel about a year ago. In doing our research on the siding options, James Hardie really was the perfect decision for us. We were really pleased with the color we chose, the durability it offers, and we are thrilled with the results. We got to move in about 3 months ago, and we couldn't be happier.
James Hardie is a company that's been around for 130 years. We invented fiber cement and we make it here in the United States and specifically here in Florida. James Hardie offers a variety of products to match your design needs all across North America. Specifically here, we have a house in South Florida. We're looking for that old Florida style. In this case, we get a plank and a trim that has the look and the feel of wood without the performance issues that you run into in a hot, sunny, humid, rainy climate. Therefore, here the Buzas get a product on the outside of the home that they don't have to worry about. Not only do the Buzas get a 30-year product warranty that's transferable, they also get a 15-year finish warranty that's transferable to the next homeowner if they choose to sell the house.
The products that James Hardie offers was perfect. We still had the wood look, but with less maintenance, and it gave us the chance to preserve that colonial look without the upkeep of real wood siding.
I'm with Holman Inc. We are a James Hardie elite preferred contractor, one of the biggest installers of James Hardie siding products in South Florida. Today we are going to join the Buzas on a newly renovated home that we installed James Hardie 7¼ inch cedar mill plank on with rustic trim. And we're going to meet with Melissa and get her thoughts and feelings about the project.
Hey Michael, so great to see you.
Hey Melissa.
How are you?
Great, how are you doing?
Great.
The place looks amazing.
Thank you so much. Your team did an amazing job.
Oh, thank you. The fact that you went with the sailcloth and the Arctic white, I really think makes the house. I mean, with the black shutters and the copper gutters, it really looks fantastic.
Isn't it beautiful?
I really, really love it. It just makes the house pop. The pool cabana came out fantastic.
Can you believe that this used to be a garage? The transformation is unbelievable.
It really is great. So James Hardie's fiber cement on the pool cabana and as well as the home is installed to meet 170 miles per hour wind speed. And if a storm comes along, you won't have to worry about the product ripping off because it's been tested in the lab.
That's so great to know. I'll tell you, my favorite part of this renovation is that we really got the chance to keep the historic vibe of this house.
Well, you did a really great job of it, too.
The back of the house, the original wood siding, needed so much work. This is where a lot of the wood rot was. This is where a lot of the paint was chipping off. And I really feel like using the James Hardie fiber cement gave us the chance of keeping the wood look, but with a lot less maintenance.
Wood siding in the state of Florida is a bad idea, and you would have just set yourself up for constant maintenance and upkeep on the home. So you really made a great decision. It looks fantastic. Well, Melissa, on behalf of Holman Inc.'s team and myself, it was a pleasure to work with you, and thank you so much.
Thank you.
Let's get out of this heat.
Yes, let's.
In this case here on the Buza's house, we have Hardie plank and Hardie trim. It's a ColorPlus Technology, which is a pre-finished product that we finish in our plant in a controlled environment. For homeowners looking for an exterior solution and might not know what they're looking for, would be that it doesn't rot, it doesn't burn, bugs don't eat it, and it withstands the climate that you're in. James Hardie makes a collection of different sizes, shapes, textures, different profiles for the exterior of your home. Not only is it going to perform and last, but it's also going to give you the look and the design that you love. Something that you'll want to come home to and something that you'll be proud of.
Every home deserves an authentic design with an uncompromising performance. As homeowners, we enjoy the ease of maintenance and warmth of emotion that elevates everyday life.